Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're reviewing what we believe is the best maracas wooden percussion musical shaker on the market. A vibrant and beautifully hand-painted musical instrument that's fun for all ages. Whether you're an adult, a kid, or even a toddler, this percussion shaker has something to offer everyone. Let's dive right into it. This pair of wooden maracas from the TDOCK store is a blend of aesthetics, durability, and joyful sound. The first thing that catches your attention is the colorful ladybird design. It's bright, cheerful, and undeniably charming. These aren't just musical instruments, they're also visually pleasing enough to double as decorative pieces in a classroom, music room, or play space. Each maraca is approximately 9 inches in length, making it a comfortable size for both children and adults to grip. Despite being made of wood, they are light enough for toddlers to shake without strain, but still solid enough for grown-ups to enjoy using them during jam sessions or rhythm-based games. When you shake these maracas, they produce a crisp, bright rattling sound that cuts through the air with clarity. Whether you're playing in a classroom, entertaining at a party, or just looking for a way to engage your child in musical learning, this pair really delivers. The sound isn't too loud or too soft, it's just right. It gives you the traditional maraca sound, grounded in authenticity but with a playful tone. These maracas also make great additions to party games, classroom activities, or early childhood education sessions. Because of their vibrant colors and satisfying sound, they're excellent for sensory development and rhythm training in younger children. And if you're a teacher or parent looking to inspire a love for music early on, these are a perfect starting point. Craftsmanship-wise, the maracas feel sturdy in the hand. The hand-painted detail is not only cute but also well done, showing that some care has gone into the product's presentation. And they come as a pair, so you're ready to start making music right out of the box. Now, while they're suitable for all age groups, supervision is always a good idea for babies and toddlers to make sure everything stays safe and fun. That said, the smooth finish and rounded edges add an extra layer of child-friendliness. To sum it up, the TDOCK wooden maracas are a simple yet high-quality instrument that brings rhythm, fun, and a splash of color to any setting. Whether you're buying them for your kids, using them in a band, or adding to your percussion set, these are a fantastic choice. If you're interested in learning more or grabbing a pair for yourself, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on another honest product breakdown. See you in the next review.